We have prompted as Mr. Modi with sharks in parliament. So now let's click and we have got our stopwatch on. So let's see in how much of time it could generate it. Sometimes medium one could take slightly more time, but on an average, we have been testing it out and maybe within 15 seconds again, this is how it is. When we said parliament and Mr. Modi, it automatically understood that Mr. Modi should be there in an Indian parliament. We didn't wrote anything more than simple layman terms of prompt. And as you can see, this is our national emblem. This is truly an ultra realistic photo of Mr. Modi in the parliament with Indian nicely and truly hyper realistic. Even the subject in the frame itself is looking confident. It has perfectly understood the big information or an human expectation that when we say Mr. Modi in parliament, automatically in our mind, we may imagine or visualize him in an Indian parliament, right? Not somewhere just made up or artificially generated images do sometime hallucinate. But in BTM1, you can see the accuracy within 15 seconds. It exactly generated an Indian parliament. Also, it has a new parliament like dome shape over here. Sharks are nicely placed and Indian faces are there. These people are looking Indian. They are looking Asians. So now we have seen its more basic capabilities. Now we would be again checking out a new prompt that a new medicine has been discovered or generated using the ABN Medline agent. So now we would be trying to generate an image and let's test it out with the live stopwatch. So yeah, we just hit the stopwatch and the BTM1 is again back to its work. Now it would be generating another photo. Let's see how much of time it might would take to generate this. 13-second captured, maybe 12 seconds. So yeah, this is an new nice image we have got. Since I said Medline agent, it has to look like a tensor generated medicine. So you can see the nice molecular structure that it has given. We didn't say anything new, but even in the background, you could check each and every text is not having any problem at all. It is absolutely looking realistic. Even the spelling of generation and complete is as it is. Initially, when ChatGPT rolled out its image generation prompt, many times when users used to give prompt, it used to generate some made up text that used to be very blurry or sometimes is a very hazy. But here, even when you look into the text, you look here, we in the prompt said ABN Medline agent using the Bharadwaj tensor model, and you can see ABN Medline agent Bharadwaj tensor model cure all. This is a term that the BTM1 generated on its own, is totally smart, is totally nice. Also, it has given a time that it is developed in 2042. So let's see if ABN Medline could be really that futuristic. It might could get manifested into the real world. So I am enjoying BTM1. I'm enjoying using it, and I hope the users must be enjoying it too. Since we have rolled out our most powerful model, the BTM1 today itself, so we are getting amazing feedback from the users, and I'm also really proud of BTM1. It is a really capable model. Maybe in future models we might be able to see more of it. So let's check more of the things and we will reset the stopwatch here. So let's say Indian Space Research Org has colonized outer space planets. We will be simply prompting an simple layman prompt, and let's see up to what extent BTM mode could understand and reflect to our visualization. Okay, so before hitting the generate image, I'm visualizing in my mind. This could be a subjective or individualistic thought. I'm visualizing maybe ISRO has already went to space and it has reached to space, and they have colonized a lot of planets. So let's see how does it look. I hit generate, stopwatch is again on, and we are recording live. We are streaming live, so you can join our stream at Eventbrite, and let's see in how much of time it will generate. Again, 12 seconds. The time is reducing amazingly. So yeah, wow, wow. I didn't expected this. This went beyond my imagination. So this is how a machine looks and feel the world. It beautifully, wow, the level of detail we have. So it included the entire world map. It has built a nice lotus-like structure in the center. Even the aircrafts are having ISRO logos here, and it has given an Indian flag without any lag, without any color disruption. Proper Indian flag looking ultra realistic. Astronauts are walking, scientists are walking, and it has given the ISRO logo. I never wrote ISRO. I just wrote Indian Space Research Org. But if we would be trying the same prompt in ChatGPT, Sora, or maybe in other advanced models, I think there might could be a lag. So in 12 seconds, BTM1 has generated a nice image once again. Let's say EBN Labs has made consciousness proven AI models, and I have tried at moments to make some intentional spelling mistakes. So medium one could, now I hit generate, stopwatch is again on, it's all live, we are recording, we are streaming live. Users are also using ABN, AI, BTM1, and let's say in how much of time it would generate. In 14 seconds, again, it just generated an beautiful photo, consciousness proven AI models. The scientist, if you look into the detailing here, it's prominently written AI labs into their suit, the lab coat they are wearing. Is a very nice, truly hyper realistic image we have got. And we can also download this image. So, yeah, the images here. We would be later on uploading these images to all the images we have generated in this session, in this live session. Afterwards, let's make it little more complicated. Maybe let's say Tom and Jerry is using BTM1 to generate images. Okay, this, I don't think this is something very complicated for BTM1 to process. And yeah, we just hit start, and we are rolling out with a live timer again. And let's understand the visualization method of BTM1 for generating this photos within 15 seconds. Within 13 to 14 seconds, we could see, okay, that Tom and Jerry is using BTM1 to generate a photo. And this looks little comic. We could also, many time in standard AI models, we cannot generate cartoon style photos because they have certain rules. But BTM1 is capable enough. Right now, we can use BTM1 for a variety of stuff. And this is how a cheese has been placed here very nicely. Some pens are there, some crystals are there, and Tom and Jerry is having maybe some futuristic PC or something.